Today I'm going to show you how to build views in ClickUp. So what we're going to do is go down to our space over here, and in our project we will see we have different projects. So this is project 1, project 2, and the little number next to the projects is the amount of tasks in that project. Now at the top you'll see board, list, calendar, table, Gantt, and then you'll see the plus view button. This essentially will allow you to build a different view in over here. So currently we've got just these views and these are by default, but if you click on the plus button over here, you can actually add in a bunch of different views. So let's say, for example, we want to see this in a dashboard view. Here you will see your data will show up now on a dashboard view. Let's say that we'd like to go in here again. We would like to add in a Google Calendar view or a map view. A map view is very useful if you have multiple tasks and they're in multiple locations. You can actually see everything out on the same space. Now, as you're creating this will take a bit of time to create. So you can see now you can customize your view. We've got on the right hand side a customized view. So we've got the name, and then we can filter out what we would like to filter out. We can also go ahead here and we can see the auto layout button. This will auto lay out all of your cards or your items within your dashboard. We have an auto refresh, which will automatically just refresh if there's any changes being made. You can pin the view, you can make it private, you can set a password on it. And then you can also just set this as your default view. So whenever you open up a project, this will be the default view that you open it up in. There's a bunch of other options here. Right now we're going to leave it as is, and this is the view that you can see. You can again go ahead, click on view, and change everything over here, add everything that you'd like to add in over here, so that you can view your projects and your data the way you need to.